a studio that is known to get the most talented set of designers, innovative presentations, and stunning showstoppers. And this lineup is gorgeous. I'd love to hear from you, Shiksha Srivastava, Head of Operations, 6 Degree Studio. What was it like collaborating this season for Lakme Fashion Week and presenting such fantastic and talented set of designers?
Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for coming here today and witnessing their collection. It's a wonderful feeling associating with Lakme Fashion Week for almost 3 years now. It gives us an immense pleasure to discover such beautiful talent from all across the country. 6 Degree team would like to congratulate all our designers for presenting such a beautiful show, and all their gorgeous showstoppers for doing perfect justice to their designs. I hope all of you all enjoyed their show as much as we loved curating it. Now I will hand it over to you.
Thank you so much, Shiksha. That was a lovely show. We had 4 talented designers, Sanjukta Datta, we had Ashwini Reddy, Shloka Sudhakar, and we had Reshma Khuni. Thank you so much for that. I'd love to hear from Sanjukta. Could you please run us through what your collection was inspired from? It was beautiful. India looks absolutely stunning.
Actually, basically, I work on handloom only, and I work on the motifs that are from different tribes of different parts of our country. As you all know, that handloom sector is almost dying, and I'm very happy that Dia is supporting me in doing so. And she's looking fabulous. She's looking very beautiful. Thank you so much.
I'd love to hear from you because yes, we know you all.
I have to speak about Sanjukta because clearly she's very shy. But thank you for curating this show. It's always a pleasure working for upcoming, interesting, unique designers. I especially enjoyed working for Sanjukta today because her collection reflects a heritage of textile from Assam that is in need of critical help. This textile empowers women, it empowers its artisans, and it also saves the cultural heritage of Assam. And I felt very proud wearing the Mekhla Chador today. Of course, in Assam, they call it Chador and not Chador. And thank you, Sanjukta Datta, for doing the good work you're doing and using your design to empower lives and make a difference. It's been such a pleasure wearing this unique and beautiful sari. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Diya. Coming to Ashwini Reddy. Ashwini, your collection was a refreshing, edgy interpretation of couture. Could you run us through what inspired you to put together this collection?
Hi. The whole concept of summer resort collection what I took this season is named Tilottama, which means Apsara. We didn't go for the literal meaning of an Apsara, but the characteral meaning of Apsara. And I would not have thought of a better person other than Tamanna who could, fulfill the dream of, being one on the ramp. So, yeah, Apsara. So the whole concept was a summery beach wedding and the clothes for the bride and extended family. We went for a very wider color palette from olive greens, baby pinks to deep blues. And we wanted to give a twist this season for a bride. We went for the brighter color red, but very contemporarily combined with ruffle sleeves. And Tamanna has carried it very well. I am looking forward to dress brides who is not very, traditional, yet carry the essence of our culture in future.
Thank you. Tamanna, or should I say Apsara, if you could also run us through what your collection, what do you think of the collection that you wear right now?
Bipasha is asking me to do an Apsara dance for her. I will perform, I swear.
Later.
Baad mein. Akele. Good afternoon, everyone. Very thrilled to be at the Lakme Fashion Week. I wait always to see what all different designers are going to do for this, and I'm very happy that I work for Ashwini Reddy this time. It's her first show, but I actually did not know it's her first show, so I'm totally amazed by how beautiful each and every model has looked on the ramp. It is for today's bride. It is for the bride who wants to dance like crazy on her wedding and run around and meet all her friends and just dance for no reason. I think I can imagine myself doing something like that. So this free-spirited bride is what the concept is about. Of course, there's an Apsara in each woman out there. So she's just kind of made a collection for all the beautiful ladies out there, and I'm sure everybody's going to really enjoy the collection. And thank you for having me work for you, and I had great fun. Thank you.
Thank you, Tamanna. Reshma, I'd love to hear from you because quite interestingly, your collection was inspired by the lotus. Yes. If you could run us through what were the elements that you wanted to bring alive with this collection?
Okay, this collection basically was inspired for the modern woman of today who likes to be contemporary and modern, who likes to wear all cocktail outfits, and even the bride, like how Bipasha Basu is. I think nobody could have slaved the ramp better than her. She has done justice to my outfit, and I think she just looks pretty. And yes, the collection was inspired by lotus, and we went from all the lotus shades, like from the pastel blues to sea green to deep magenta, and then burgundy for Bipasha because I thought she will look gorgeous in this. And we had used handloom silk for her outfit, and it took 1 month of handcraftmanship to get it done. So I think she has done a pretty good job by being my showstopper today, right?
Gorgeous. So
I've done many shows before, but Lakme Fashion Week, this is my first show. And I'm very proud to have her as my showstopper for my first show here. Yeah.
Congratulations, Reshma. That's so good to hear. Bipasha, a little bit from you. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it.
Well, firstly, congratulations, Lakme Fashion Week once again for showcasing such amazing talent from all parts of the country. My association with Lakme Fashion Week has been from year one when I was a model, and I walked the ramp for all the designers. And year after year, they are doing tremendous job. And like today, you know, we are talking about 4 different designers who are having their own take about the modern Indian woman. And that's beautiful, you know, because each one of us is standing here looking so pretty. I can just say that Reshma, thank you very much for making me look beautiful today. From the time I've gotten married, I don't know why everyone wants to see me in red. Every single designer always chooses this color for me. And yes, it is my favorite color. And I really felt good. I felt confident and beautiful today. And it's all because of the designer. So all the very best, Reshma.
Thank you.
Do well.
Thank you. Thanks for being there and supporting me throughout. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Bipasha. Over to our last designer, Shloka. You completely reinvented the way denim needs to be looked at. You gave it a very sophisticated twist. If you could let us know what was the inspiration this time around and how did you conceptualize this show?
Hi. The main thing I did this was because denim usually is, you know, it's just a mind block that you wear pants and that's about it. So I wanted to combine the Western concept with the Indian concept. So I used denim and I named it Genie. So it's more of a fun collection for resort wear, destination weddings and all of that. And we've named it Genie. So what Genie means is it has denim, so it has the word Jean. And secondly, it's a pun intended to a genie. You know, a genie is an imaginary character where which grants you wishes. So it's for anybody who wears an outfit like, you know, may your dream come true or your wish comes true. So that's a fun part of it. And I think Nidhi's done an amazing job and I think she carried off really well and she did justice to this. So that's been a lot about my collection with denim and, you know, Indianizing a little bit of that with Indian work on denim. So that's about it.
So to the genie that's outside the bottle and in front of us, could you let us know what were your thoughts when you were walking down the runway?
Shloka is a Bangalore girl just like me. So I'm so happy walking for her. This is her first year. This is my debut year. So I think we have a great bond and I'm so comfortable. I have to say this is so light and I didn't trip, I didn't feel uncomfortable at all, and this is like a genie outfit. It's just what I needed at the moment. So thank you Shloka, and I'm looking forward to wearing much more of her clothes in the future.
Thank you so much to our lovely set of designers and showstoppers. Yes, absolutely, that's a big round of applause for them. Just want to get our showstoppers and designers to the front. We'd like to take a couple of pictures.
Thank you.